morning world. Sorry I didn't do a vlog last week, but like I said, the channel's for memory vlogs and I don't think you want to see me walking the dog every single week the same route. So it's just when I've got stuff really. I just thought I'd have a chat this week since I didn't do one last week. What else? Well, I've been having a bad week with my depression really. What can I say? I just sat in the house doing nothing and ate junk food really, ate crap. Doesn't help with my husband's new channel. Oh, it's smear there. Hang on a minute. That's better. He keeps making cakes and stuff, which I have to admit, he put a chocolate chip one on the other day and I had 2 pieces. It was lovely. There's links in the description if you want to go and have a look. Plug in. And another one, my friend Chelsea, she is lovely and she is only been doing it a few months, but if you like vloggers then you should go and check her channel out. I'll put the link in the description. She's great fun and she's got 2 gorgeous little dogs. Oh, they're beautiful. And her husband Brian's a laugh too. Well, no, she'll be married in October, so she'll have some great footage there. What else? That's the thing. Have you ever seen The Angry German Kid on YouTube? You should look it up. Honest to God, it is my nephew. That is all we've heard from his room this past week. 2 weeks. I'll put a link in the description for the video. It is my nephew to a T. She's wanting to go out. I've only just come in from a walk. She's wanting to go out in the garden. There's not even any sun out. That's the thing. Sunbathing. I'll try and get a clip of Lucy's belly. She's been sunbathing that much, it's gone brown. Usually last summer it was black as a fur. But she has this little crease in between her boobs that stays pink because it don't get the sun. It's so funny. Next week's vlog will be up on Friday instead of Sunday. Be up a bit earlier because it's the 3rd anniversary of my dad's death and I'm doing a memory vlog to him. So, alright! So, if you're not into that stuff then just avoid next week's video. But it'll just be for my dad really. Vlog days actually. She is wanting to maybe do a collab, so if you've got any ideas what to do, let me know in the comments because we are stuck really. Thank you to my new subscribers for joining us. It's been really nice seeing all your comments, so that's pretty cool, seeing all your new faces. Well, if you've got a face on your description. And there's one of my subscribers, I can't remember her name, it's bugging me. I'll have to go on. Her dog's having puppies and she's naming one Lucy, so I can't wait to see the picture of that. See what the new Lucy looks like. Let's see. Leave the curtains alone. Let's have a look. See if I can get Lucy to show her belly. Get one of her treats, that might help. Oh my god, this camera will be everywhere but my face. Hey Lucy! Oh, come Right, lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Wait. Look. Look how pink that is in the middle. Yeah, there you go. Just so funny. Is that nice? Eh? Is that nice? Ooh. You gonna say hello to everyone? Say hello. Say hello. Alright, sit. I've got no more treats. I only brought the one. Thank you. I only brought the one so we see belly. Eh? God, that phone's been going off all morning. Alright. Alright. I'll get you another one since you were so good. So, that is it for today, really. Alright, I'll get you one. Alright, sit. Sit. Good girl. Bye, everyone.